How to Think Like a Market Spy, Volume 1. This looks pretty bearish, right? Wrong. Here's a punch-out setup to the downside. Stop was never touched. You had your take profit that was hit, and we had a baseline reclaim with a second punch-out printing. What you need to understand about the market is that you don't get opportunities twice in the same direction. Algorithms know this. I know this. I want you to know this. People who have been short from the signal over here on a punch-out signal confirmation and who did not take profit here but are holding for hopes of continuation will be stopped out when this price action goes back to this take profit point, and they will be forced to exit the market at break even. Do you see? So the reason why we have punch out setup calculated at 1 hour is because we understand the dynamics of the whole market space. This is how it works. This is a double opportunity, which is a very rare situation. You're not going to get a continuation signal twice post a significant sell-off. Even though it's printing a signal, it is not going to work. What will work, however, is price is going to attempt to cross the purple line and make its way toward EQ3, which sits right at the previous take profit on the short signal right here. So greedy people who did not take profit here, and are wanting for price to go lower still, are going to regret doing so, because this is going to go up here, back to their break-even position. And this is how the 76% losing trader rule is created. You don't get to have infinite opportunities like these here forever. You only get one chance, one signal, and you have to be fast. You have to act on it. To demonstrate, allow me to skip some time into the future, because I have to wait for this to play out, and show you what I mean exactly when this price is going to be here at 41,620. All we have to do is wait now, and regardless of how bearish this looks, I guarantee you that this is going to go up here. And this is how you think in terms of price action as a market spy, because you understand the dynamics between greed and fear. People are fearful, we're buying. People are greedy, holding it to the downside, never took profit over here. We can see right through price action where that was supposed to take place. So logically, we're going to go back up here where people will start biting their nails, thinking, man, I should have taken profits at the lows. I should have taken profits earlier, but they held on to it. And now you and I, who are long from here, going to exit at their stop loss or break even point of access right here. Simple as that. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, everyone, welcome back. As you can see, here's our take profit from the short signal. We had a baseline reclaim. This is what I'm talking about. This setup right here is you have double the opportunity, or so it seems, to continue shorting into what appears to be some sort of support. Now, the first take profit, the reason why this system is built the way it's built, this is precisely the reason, because people who think that the market owes them a setup that has already played out, and those traders are thinking about going for seconds, they don't understand the market. Perhaps you don't understand the market, but like I said in the beginning of this video, I want you to understand the dynamics of the market here. We're intraday traders. That is to say, when you're looking at a setup like this, and when the market gives you an opportunity, and you don't take profit on time, you decide to hold, here's your exit signal. Then you get another setup right here, post baseline reclaim, and price gives you that perfect take profit, prints another bearish signal, and like I said, seemingly it looks bearish, right? Remember in the beginning of this video, we have a pyramid at support, and here this may not be immediately clear to you, but we closed above the purple line. And usually when that happens, this sets the tone for what's to come. This is the intention. Purple line is the intention. Now let's review, why is that? Again, this video is about how to think like a market spy, like a trader who understands what drives the markets, not supply, not demand. Algorithmic trading at your fingertips with Market Spy. And so next time you see a setup like this, humble yourself like I do and say, who am I that the market should give me 2, 3, 4 opportunities directionally over and over again? The market doesn't owe us anything. And this is how reversals happen, because traders think that they can just keep going. They can just keep going. This is also why when I see a signal, like for example here, and I'm late to that signal, and I see that there's been a punch out over here, and my bullish punch out is turned off over here because I was focusing on shorting this thing all day today. And so, but here we can see how you can visualize it in your mind's eye and see that we just hit our take profit target on this punch out right here. Let's take a look at one more thing, which is our chart over here. And so here we go. The reason why I want to show you this is, if you haven't watched my volume analysis video from back in the day, you should absolutely go back to that. Try to find that video, volume analysis, see what it's all about. You can see how bearish volume comes at the absolute bottom. Comes at the absolute bottom. Comes at the absolute bottom. Likewise, bullish volume comes at the absolute tops. Increasing volume now, coming in at the top. And this is to say that unenlightened traders, the neophytes, they are getting their confirmations there. The market is filled with poor performing systems, and this volume to me is merely an indication that a whole bunch of them are getting triggered late into the move. And this is where our friends at X/Twitter start buying. and they sell at the bottom right here. This is all an indication of sellers who don't have a system in place. They're simply following momentum, but a tad bit late. And so this concludes our video titled How to Think Like a Market Spy. If you missed out on the baseline reclaim, if you did not take profit, the market will come back and take that away from you. As a matter of fact, this will keep going until it hits this entry point right here. Because this is where traders are holding, thinking, man, now regret is creeping in, and they're thinking, I should have taken profit down there somewhere, or even here. For me, I would have been out on this blue take profit. But we do have a couple of tricks up our sleeves where we take partial profit, put a stop loss at break even, and let our runner 10% or whatever you like, let it run. And that is okay. This is how you achieve consistency. And so this is a very, very important to understand. 1 signal, 2 signal, 3 signal, it's not for you. You're gambling. The first signal is the best signal right here. The baseline reclaim right here. I don't care about all this, but you had your reclaim. That's it. That's your signal that price is intending to go up. Why? Because it's post sell-off, a very aggressive sell-off, triple dot at the bottom over here. Very simple. Volume coming in at the absolute bottom, you know, and you're participating in these moves. So this is how you think like a market spy. You approach these charts wherever you are in the world, whenever you open your charts, and if it's looking something like this, right now you should be saying to yourself, there's no point of me getting in here because 1, 2, 3, 4 signals later, I am late. If you were not here for this, you have no business chasing this candle right now. As a matter of fact, if you were in like I was from here, this is where you take profit. And you also understand that traders who don't take profit on these setups, and only market spy can see this. Only market spy can see this. Traders that don't take profit, market spies that don't take profit when the system tells you to, and they hold on, hoping for 100x like a bunch of degens, the market comes back for you and takes you out. You see? So this is how it works. The sooner you understand this about signals, signal processing, market behavior, the better off you'll be. Price action currently is bearish overall unless we close above the EQ. Check out my latest video before this one to know what I'm talking about. And I'll see you guys later. Have a great night, a great day, good morning, and may the force be with you.